Bo.
I got my friends here. We in Brayside at the shopping center.
All right.
Right. What's your name, my brother? Mike. Robert. All right. Just say what
Rasta, thanks so much. You know, there's much love between brothers. The unity is great and you must keep it that way. Thank you so much. God bless.
Okay. All right.
say something. I'll come one day. I live in Cali. So whenever you see me, don't be afraid to approach me. Everything you want, and anything you want, right? Are you okay with what you want? What else? You want some cigarettes? I'll take a Pepsi. You want a Pepsi? How much is a Pepsi? 50 cents. I haven't changed here. Oh, I meant to have I bought you something. Yes, you did. It's not. Some people do that. I gave you $1, but we did. You should have. You know what? You should have. Just money.
Okay.
Doesn't mean anything.
All right.
Doesn't mean money. It's
The love coming from a brother means more than this.
All right.
This is just money.
All right. All
But
right.
what he has done for us today, we appreciate and we thank God and shout for him. Thank you, my brother.
Next time when you see me, don't be afraid to approach.
Okay, but
All right. Thanks, yeah.
much love. Thank you so much. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.